I got this curtain set from Cololeaf, and it comes with the two curtains, which are a really nice material. They're thick, they're blackout curtains. They come with these little hooks. These hooks you slide into the curtain. There's little slits on each one, I'll show you later. And then you hook this. And these are adjustable. You just slide them through, and if you want to go back to the top or the bottom, you just put them back in, run it all the way down. So these are these. You also get the curtain ties, so you could tie them. It has 3 different settings. So you just click it on there, hold your curtain in place. So let me go ahead and put these curtains up and show you what they look like. Those little white hooks go right here. Each of these dark spots have a slit, so you slide them in there. You could do all of them, you could skip every other one, however you want to do it, but this is where they go in, and the other hook's on the other side. Just so you can see it's daylight outside. And I have the curtain up, so it blocks out a lot of the sun, which is really good. It looks nice. Really nice blackout curtain. There's the daylight outside. I closed the window in the back so you could see, so the sun doesn't glare off it, so you can see how it blocks out the sun. So they work really good, really nice, really good material.